Okay, in this video we will look at the pilot reduction valve. Pilot reduction valve is underneath this plug, and it is an internal pilot system in the PVG valve assembly, and this is the pilot pressure that the PV is using to push the spool back and forth. So we'll look at, we have two versions. We have a two-way, and then we have a three-way. We have converted most of everything in production, so all new on the market has three-way, but in the field we still have two ways. And for the kits, we have both two-way and three-way when you purchase a kit. And what that means is when you remove your pilot reduction valve or need to exchange it, you need to put the same in as you took out. So if you take out a two-way, you need to put in a two-way. You cannot upgrade to a three-way due to the cavity. So I will remove this pilot reduction valve now, and we will do an inspection. For tools, we need a simple Allen key or umbraco. And just be careful because it's pressurized by this spring. The spring is at the bottom, so if the valve is on the side, there's a big chance that the spring will push everything out and you lose it. But in this case, so we take out the plug, we take a magnet, we can remove the little spool, and in this case you can see this is a two-way. So that's the one that's right there. We will then take out the cone, and that's this cone here. We will take out the spring, just like that. And then we can check the cavity, we can check the components, and if everything is okay, we can then reinstall the new one or the old one. So first the spring, then the cone, needs to go inside the spring, if I can, I hope. With a little bit of luck, yes. Oop. Let's try again. So this is why it's very critical if you are in the field that it's very careful and we don't get contamination in there. And this one needs to be turned the right way. So we have that's where the cone seals, and on the top it's flat. So the top side, the flat side, needs to go up, and then you can put the spool in carefully, yes, and then we put the plug back in. And this is a fixed pressure reducing valve, so no adjustments. It's the spring tension and again we have to be careful with this so that we don't lose or we get it to catch onto the thread first time. And then we need to torque it according to the specifications in your manual.